Welcome to Unpretty Cooking. I'm Lugos. On this show, we embrace wabi-sabi culture. This means this isn't going to be pretty, but it's sure as heck going to be quick. Today, we're going to France to put a Celtic spin on a French cocktail. Breton, or Brèche if you are speaking Celtic. Cur is traditionally served with white wine, but white wine is not Celtic. Celts love cider. They've been drinking it for over 2,000 years. So of course, Cur Breton is made with cider instead of wine. So what do you need? A 500ml glass, a 30ml jigger, 250ml measuring cup, 30ml creme de cassis, any brand will do, 250ml sweet apple cider. Cidre de Breton is preferred. Step 1. Measure cider and pour it into your glass. Step 2. Measure creme de cassis and add it to the cider. Step 3. Gently stir and take a sip. Step 4. Just chill. Life's too short. Take yourself some me time. Peace.